Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up some delicious keto chicken salad wraps. Perfect for a quick and healthy lunch. Let's dive right in. First up, you'll need your ingredients. Grab 2 cups of cooked chicken. You can use leftovers or cook some fresh. Just make sure it's shredded or chopped into small pieces. Now, for the creamy part, we'll need a half cup of mayonnaise. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Next, let's add some crunch and flavor. Chop up a 1/4 cup each of celery, red onion, and pickles. These are going to add that perfect bite and a burst of flavor to your wraps. And to bring all these flavors together, we'll sprinkle in a tablespoon of lemon juice and a teaspoon of mustard. Don't forget to season with a bit of salt and pepper to taste. Now the fun part, let's mix it all up. In a large bowl, toss together the chicken, mayonnaise, celery, onion, and pickles. Pour in the lemon juice and mustard. Then give it a good stir until everything is beautifully combined and looking scrumptious. Alright, it's time to wrap this up, literally. Grab some large lettuce leaves. Romaine or butter lettuce works great for this. Take a leaf, place a generous spoonful of your chicken salad right in the center, then roll it up nice and snug. It's that simple. And there you have it. Your keto chicken salad wraps are ready to be enjoyed. These wraps are not only tasty, but also perfectly aligned with your keto goals. They're super easy to make, and you can whip up a few more until all your chicken salad is happily wrapped. So, whether you're looking to jazz up your lunch routine or need a quick meal fix without breaking your keto stride, these chicken salad wraps are your go-to. Give them a try and let me know how they turn out. Happy wrapping, everyone!